Yo, what is up? We are back with another video today. We're going back on Offroad Outlaws. The bus is for another video. Today we're gonna go with the bike again. We're gonna be. I know I can't. We're gonna just do a little bit of this quick. So yeah. Okay, we are back. I had to go and eat supper for a bit. So, yeah, so we're gonna do some more stunts with the bike tonight, I guess. Another video will probably come up later tonight. We'll probably drive the truck around on Offroad Outlaws. So yeah. I'm going to go pick up a movie for tonight, so I'll probably I'm not going to be on for a while. I'm going to have to pause the video, so, yeah. Oh yeah, and I was trying to make a new update video, but hey, stupid YouTube, and my stupid phone was like, oh no, you can't upload the big, it was like a 20-minute video I made. The things didn't let me upload it. It was like, failed to upload. Please try again. Well, I deleted the thing, so it's like, took up my whole storage on the phone. So yeah. I might do another video this weekend of door slammers, if anybody knows what game that is. So that'll probably be another video we're gonna do. But I'm gonna do a flip here. Ooh, I could have made that one, but I didn't feel like it. Do a wheelie. No, I can't do a wheelie now. Ooh, so fine. Oh, I died. So, excuse me, but so now we're gonna come from the bumpity bump. Oh, right there's a glitch, and right there's a wheelie. Do it. So, this is probably gonna be one of the worst videos I've done yet. So yeah, so really not much that good tonight. But like, subscribe and turn on notifications if you're new to the channel. Until next time, peace out.